has been the best-selling jam in the entire southwest region of Scotland for the last 5 years running. After every shift, I'd sit with him. We'd smoke, talk a bit, throw stones at the crows. He was certainly the best picker I'd ever worked with. He was like a trapeze artist up there, with a real ease about him. Cultivating cannabis isn't easy, you know. Strain doesn't really matter, it's the grower, much like a sexual relationship. The conditions have to be correct in order for it to yield. He'd sit there all day, getting high in the dark, squinting like a bloody mole at Cash in the Attic or whatever trash was on the telly. He began to annoy the fuck out of me. And then once, after I confronted him about dealing from the house, he hit me. Slapped me across the face. So one evening I came home. It was sunny, warm. He was sat there, happy, stoned, watching the telly. He didn't see it coming. He wasn't looking.